Hi and welcome to the third video of the series where you will learn the complete stock market for free on YouTube. As I always say, please maintain your notes, comment down your attendance and watch the video without skipping. In today's video, we will be discussing what a Demat account is, how does transaction happen in a Demat account and how you can open your Demat account. Learn with Chartox and together we grow. If you have watched our previous videos, you will definitely know what this means. If you have not watched it yet, please go back, watch those classes and then come to this video. Yes, you are right. This is the structure of a Demat account that you will have. So you will basically have a savings account with any of your banking partner, whichever bank it be. And you will be saving all your savings like the salary or pocket money, or if you have a business, the income from that, everything in your savings account of the bank, right? So whatever money you wish to invest in the stock market or trade in the stock market, you transfer that amount from the savings account of your bank to a trading account. Is that clear? And when you purchase a stock, the payment is made to the seller of that particular stock and the stock is stored in your Demat account. So there can be a question, can't you just go and open a Demat account? What is the need of the trading account? That is because you cannot do any monetary transactions from your Demat account. You need a trading account to buy the shares that you wish to buy. So if you have already opened a Demat account, if you have a Demat account, it is not plainly a Demat account. It's a trading plus Demat account. So whenever you add your funds to your broker, that may be Kite by Zerodha or Upstox, which I use, whenever you add money from your savings account to that, you are actually adding the money to your trading account, not to your Demat account. Only the shares that you buy are deposited in the Demat account. There is no money coming in the Demat account. So yes, now we'll summarize the first part of this video. That is, you have money that you have been saving in the bank account, that is the savings account, from which you transfer the funds that you wish to trade or invest with. That particular sum to your trading account. And from this trading account, you make a transaction to the stock market, stock market. So you make a transaction to the stock market and that particular stock, you are storing it in the Demat account. So if you don't know what Demat account is, I'm pretty sure that you have skipped the last videos. Please do watch it and come here because we are going in a complete systematic way so that we don't miss out any points about the stock market. Now, we'll see how a transaction happens in the stock market. If you are wishing to buy 100 shares of a particular company, is it necessary that one single seller would be there who would be ready to sell 100 stocks? No, right? I might be holding the company you wish to buy, but I'll be just holding 10 or 20 stocks of that particular company. So how will you get 100 shares from me? That's not possible, right? Now let's look at that. So now here the broker plays a role. So if you are a buyer who wishes to buy 100 shares of a particular stock, there is no seller who is ready to sell 100 stock, like 100 stocks on a go. Like this is me, who is ready to sell just 20 shares from my holdings. These are two other people, 2 and 3. Okay. He is also ready to sell 20 shares and this guy is also ready to sell 60 of the shares of that particular company that you wish to buy. So what will the broker do? Take the money from you, give the money, distribute it to each of the sellers depending on how much shares they are selling and get these. So this in total is equal to 100, right? So get this 100 and then give it back to you. This is how a transaction happens inside the stock market. But does the stock that you buy on a particular day, does it get into your Demat account on the same day? No, it doesn't. There is something called T+1. If you already have a trading account, you would have noticed this too. If you are holding a particular stock for 2 days, that is the date on which you buy the stock, and the next day it will show us a T plus 1 holding. What is that? What is T plus 1? So T plus 1 is basically transaction date plus 1 day. So if you have placed a particular order, that is a buy order, on Monday, it will be reflected in your Demat account only on Wednesday. So now you know what is a Demat account, why do you need a Demat account, and what happens in the Demat account, how does these transactions happen in the stock market, and what is T plus 1 that you will see when you start buying shares. Now we'll see how you can open your own trading plus Demat account to start your journey by investing, being a shareholder of a company, being a part owner of the company. Wouldn't it be fun to be a shareholder, be a part owner of these huge companies that you see around you? Reliance or Tata or Bajaj and all these big names that you have been hearing. Wouldn't it be really fun to be a part owner of these companies? That is exactly what you do when you invest in their shares. So, but how can we start the venture? How can we start our journey in trading and investing? For that, you need a trading plus Demat account. On this part, I kept it in the last because a few of these viewers might feel that it's a promotion. That is why I kept this section in the last of this video. So now we'll see who are the best brokers out there, what do I prefer, and how can you open your trading plus Demat account. So these are few names of the brokers out there that you can go for. So as I had told in the earlier video, there are two categories of brokers, a full service broker and a discount broker. What do I use? I personally use Upstox and Zerodha. This can be a controversial video. There are other traders who use other platforms like Shah Khan, Angel 15 Paise, ICICI. It's up to them, but I am telling my perspective in this video. So, full service brokers can be used if you don't have a lot of time to learn the investments, learn how to make your own investments, read the annual reports, and do your own fundamental analysis. But the problem there is that the brokerages they charge on the capital is higher than when compared to the discount brokers, because most discount brokers give 0 rupees brokerage on investments. Doesn't that sound cool? And as we are here to learn stock market, I would prefer using discount brokers. When I am sharing my screens with you in the next coming videos, when I am going to tell you studies, when I am going to use my indicators, I will be using Upstox because Upstox is what I started with and it has got the best user interface experience that I have had compared to the other platforms. Okay, there is Grow out there which is very simple, but I don't recommend that when it comes to trading. It's very easy for investing through Grow, but still I don't use Grow because even though the user interface is very easy, the technical indicator, earlier it did not even have technical indicators, they have added it all in very recently, but still I don't use that because for trading I have felt the most comfortable while using Upstox. So now we'll be talking about Upstox and Zerodha, the platforms that I will be using to teach you people in this learning journey. If you have not made your trading plus Demat account till now, it is the right time to open it. The links are there in the description. Please make sure you have your own trading plus Demat account to start the venture in stock market. So about Zerodha, Zerodha has its trading platform named Kite, and Kite is one of the most used stock market trading application out there in India. And Upstox is the fastest growing stock discount broker. The opening charges for their Demat accounts vary from 0 rupees, that's completely free, to around 200 to 250 rupees depending on all their offers. But even if you are spending that money, even if you are not, if the offers are not available now, and if you are spending 200, 250 or even 300 rupees for opening a trading account, I am sure if you learn well and invest or trade wisely, as we are going to teach you, then anyway you will make returns more than that. You won't end up in losses. So whatever their opening charges are now, please make sure you make at least one Demat account. Why did I say at least one? Sometimes like the servers can go down, it can be shut down, but you should not miss out a good day in the stock market. So it's always good to have two accounts. So as I said, I have been using both of this. I diversify my funds like this. I use all my trading capital in Upstox for trading, and in Zerodha I make the investments. I know I told Upstox is easy to use. Exactly why I'm using it to trade, because I have to open it every day, every now and then. And Zerodha, I'm holding my investments in Zerodha because I have to make sure that I don't have a tendency to withdraw my funds. I think you got that. So if I'm trading and investing in the same platform, I'll be opening it daily. So if just imagine that I'm investing and trading in Upstox. So one day I made a small loss. It hit my stop loss. Then I'll be like, okay, to cover up, I'll just withdraw what I'm holding. Anyway, it's in profits. That's not how investment works. When you're investing, invest for a long term. Invest and fly like an eagle. Just forget about the investment. It will grow. It will give definitely it will give good returns if you have done your fundamentals rightly. So the annual charges of Upstox is around 200 bucks. I think it's around 250. And the trading charges is 0 rupees for both of the zero brokerage. I'm talking about the brokerage. 0 rupees brokerage for Upstox and Zerodha if you are investing. And they'll take taxes. We are living in India, so they'll take taxes up to around 20-25 rupees, how much ever stock you hold. And if you are trading, the brokerage is somewhere around 20 rupees per trade, and or 0.05% of your profits or the amount. But it depends. Whichever is lower is charged from you. And I hope you have completely watched this video. I know it's not a very important, you might not think it is an important video, but it is important. No, it is not. We are going in a systematic manner. It is important to know what happens inside a Demat account, what happens whenever you give a transaction, whenever you are giving money. You should know it's not just about the charts and patterns. We will learn that, but we should know every perspective. That's why I have taken a complete video on that. Okay, please make sure that you are opening your Trading Plus Demat account today. So that's all in today's video, and tomorrow we'll start on to the next session. We'll start to the next step. We are taking a new step. We are gonna start with introduction to technical analysis, after which I'll be doing introduction to fundamental analysis, and then the elaborate course that is in depth, how to pick your trades, how to make your investments, how to do options, what are derivatives, what is FNO, how to trade on, all that will be continued. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, you share it with your friends, make your notes, comment down your attendance, and watch all these videos without skipping. Thank you and see you tomorrow.